Welcome to my channel Mama and Me. Last week I uploaded a video about pre-writing activities. If your kids is between 2 to 2.5 years, start doing pre-writing activities at home. If you don't know how to start doing pre-writing activities, please watch that video before watching this video. In this video, I will talk about how to introduce handwriting to your kids. Handwriting is a process and that goes step by step. If you are a mom or a caregiver who really wants to have your kids to neat and clean good handwriting, then you should follow the step very sincerely to get the best result. So let me tell you about the handwriting process. So you need to prepare few worksheet and make your child practice regularly. What is in my first worksheet? Let me show you. This is a standing lines. I have drawn a standing lines and see the dots are very close to each other and dots are very thick. And here is an arrow. It tells the child that they should start from the top and move towards the bottom. And here are more standing lines for their practice. Prepare a worksheet like this and show your child how to hold the pencil like crocodile's mouth. They will hold the pencil and join the dots. Keep the dots little thick because they are doing this for very first time and they may not able to do the draw very straight lines for the first time, even though they will get the confidence to do it. So this is the sheet 1, which is about standing lines. Let me show you the sheet 2, which is about slipping lines. Here is again same thing, the dots are a bit thick, and here is I've given an arrow which tells the child that they should start from this side and move towards this side. Here are more slipping lines for their practice. Once they have practiced slipping lines and standing lines and they can do it confidently, then move to the next part, which is about tracing. To prepare a tracing worksheet, you need to buy sandpaper. You can get the sandpaper from the local shop and just write the alphabets which can be written by using standing lines and slipping lines. Cut them out and paste them on a white paper like this. As the sandpaper is a bit rough, it will be easier for them to trace. Encourage them to trace by using these two fingers and trace as the way we write, like top, bottom, L. They should say the alphabet as they are tracing. L. How do we write T? First we draw the slipping lines, then the standing lines. Exactly the same way we will do the tracing. Please prepare the other alphabets like the I, E, F and give them in a practice by doing tracing. Tracing is very important part in the handwriting process because in this step they will get to know that exactly the way they should write the alphabet. And this is step 4. What is about step 4? I have write down few alphabets with full guidance. What is full guidance? I have written the alphabets with dots and the dots are very close to each other. And here is a dot, so they will get to know they should start from the dot, go down and then draw the slipping lines. So they are already familiar with the standing lines, they are already familiar with the slipping lines, they are already familiar the tracing part where they will get to know the exact way to write down that particular alphabet. And here with the full guidance they are actually writing the alphabets. And after practicing like with full guidance, we will move to the next part where you will buy copy like this. It's a rule copy. Just give them 2 dots or 3 dots. These 3 dots and give them instruction to join. They will draw standing lines, slipping lines. L. So this is the whole step and you should go step by step to get the best result. Don't be in a hurry, let them take all their sweet time, maintain your space and make sure they are practicing every day. Initially they may not be able to write a very straight line, very neat ones, but gradually with practice they will pick it up. Please like, share and comment on my video. Thank you for watching.